Hello guys, welcome to my another brand new video. In this video we're talking about benefits of credit card machines for business, written by Shalini M. Other than credit card machines, technologies have produced many notable effects, including the credit card machine. In the 21st century, people open themselves up to technology from the very center of their being. It has the added benefits of leading to an increase in the use of credit and debit cards. Additionally, the coronavirus arrival has also contributed to the increase the use of contactless transactions. EMB cards are replacing magistrate premium cards. EMB chip cards give you the ability to make you contactless payments. The merchants must have advanced payment terminal to accept such payments. Credit and debit cards are used almost exclusively in today's business world. To take your business to the next level, you must associate it with a credit card machine. The processing and payment services you need for online sales include a merchant processor that provides you with an online payment gateway. There will always be online modes that people will prefer to use, regardless of the volume of transaction. As a result, you have to use an advanced piece of equipment, such as an credit card machines in tandem with your business. Advantages. Just because you are living in the 21st century, it's impossible to conceive of life without modern technology. A large number of businessmen prefer to stick to established business models. However, sometimes you have to alter your plans according to the current situation. This means that you need to be one step ahead of everyone else in the business. You will lose customers otherwise. An establishment that gets access to a credit card machine will enjoy countless benefits. Listen to the benefits, so don't miss the following. Obtain legal recognition of your company. Accepting and payments using digital payments terminals is a legitimate business practice, so it should help your company a lot. The card brand name will be printed on the POS, and thus the customers will have no problem noticing it. This logo will be featured on the same online marketplace as well. The greater the number of customers from outside the country, the more money you will make. Increase your profitability. To accept various forms of payments like credit cards, Google Play, Apple Pay, and more. Use a credit card machine at your business. Creating a positive impression on your customers is quite simple, but it also keeps your customers loyal. A credit card machine, thus granting flexibility in the ecosystem of online payments, provides customers with many payments options, thus allowing them to pay bills in various ways. How to stay ahead of the competition. Many businessmen have not fully embraced digital equipment, making small business models in the early longer carrying crash in the airspace of your competitors. Research has shown that when customers use their cards to make a purchase, they spend more. Additionally, because you will make a sustainable profit from accepting card payments, it's highly recommended that you do so. Cash flow improving measures. The customer's card payments get settled quickly when they pay with a card. Everything is done electronically, so you don't have to go to the bank to deposit the money. Additionally, you don't have to wait for customers to pay you. Your cash flow will thus improve. Thanks for staying with us. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.